If you have an older smartphone, computer, smart TV or any device that doesn't support 5G and it can't connect to your Eero Wi-Fi system, then here's how you disable 5G temporarily and make your Eero network 2.4G only so that older devices can connect to your Eero system using Wi-Fi. To enable legacy mode for older devices, first you'll need to open the Eero app. Then tap on the settings icon from bottom right, and after that you'll need to go to troubleshooting. Then from the list, select My device won't connect. Then you'll get one option, which is My device is 2.4G only. Then you'll get the option to temporarily pause 5 GHz. So just tap on it, and then 5G will be deactivated for half an hour. There's a cooldown because after you disable 5G, your Eero network will become slower than usual. So now that you have paused 5G and enabled 2.4G only, you can now connect any device to your Eero and use the internet. And that's all there is to it. So if this helped in any way, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more quick guides.